Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be showing you guys one of the most amazing things that we've come out here at BoostDistrict. We've come out with a lot of amazing things with the C8 platform, but today I'm going to show you guys what I've been developing in the last year. We've put a lot of time, money, effort, resources in this whole project, and it's for you guys to know we're invested in this project to make sure that the C8 Corvette can contend out there racing anywhere. From Mexico action to full-on drag racing, and just for people that enjoys it in the street, we want to perfect these packages. I've put a lot of effort in just brainstorming in this project, and I can't wait to show you guys the very first and only BD exclusive. This is the very first car that has the anti-lag built into the stock ECU on the C8 Corvette platform. These are the two, my BoostDistrict E-Ray and Mr. Quartz 2024 C8 Corvette. And with this car, we also have a lot more goodies that we are going to show you guys. It's the most horsepower we've made on a stock cam and stock full engine with just our twin turbo kit and a stock clutch also. So in this whole video, you're going to dive in the whole project with us, show you guys the whole build and the parts that we put into it, because if you guys are DIYers, everything that you're seeing in this car is available on the website and also available for scheduling if you guys want to bring your car to the C8 specialist. We've done lots of C8 Corvettes here in BoostDistrict. The very first part of this video is talking about our new development, anti-lag. What is it? Why is it beneficial? And I'm gonna show it to you guys real quick. So anti-lag is basically a system built into the car. Whenever you are pressing it, you're basically building boost. On some of these cases that the turbos are too big or the combo is just, you're trying to make a lot more power on the up high, you don't get a lot of the grunt as a supercharger down low. To fix that, we've built in an internal system of coding on the car, and basically when you press that button, you hold it wide open throttle, the car stays in place, and when you let go of it, it goes in full boost. You're basically building the boost while the car is stagnant. Perfect for roll racing application. On launch control, you can stay on the launch control and hit the anti-lag button, and it'll basically build boost. When you let go of the button and of the brakes, you're gonna get 5, 6, 7, 8 pounds of boost instead of being stagnant. We actually learned that with our shop car right here, the 2020 Audi R8. These cars are the king of roll racing and just dominance of 2000 horsepower TX2K and all that application. These cars go really fast in roll racing classes and a lot of different aspects of drag racing. But for us to be the best, we had to learn from the best. You got to give props to those cars. But the thing is, with that, most of the time you have aftermarket ECUs and piggyback. On this C8 Corvettes, we have learned that we can do it with the stock ECU. It took us a lot of time and a lot of effort, and we're gonna show it to you guys right now on how it works. Don't mind the check engine light, it was just in the dyno, so we haven't cleared it yet, but this complete application works with no faults or any issues. So let me put the car in drive, and let me put it in track mode, so you guys can see it right here, and we're gonna put it in launch mode. So you're fully on the brake, and I don't know if you can hear that in the video, but the car is basically pulling a little bit of timing so the turbo spools up. I'm gonna also demonstrate this application in the dyno, and then we're gonna take it out in the street so you guys can see it fully hit with a wide open throttle. Mr. Court has given us authority to work on this car. We've actually tested it on several cars now, but he's the very first customer to have this built in as a production piece. We've tested it in my 2020 Stingray, we've tested it in a 2025 shop car, and we've also tested it in 2 E-Ray shop cars that we have. Our shop E-Ray and also our GM affiliate E-Ray has tested this and fully dialed in perfectly fine. So he's the very first production piece, and I can't wait to really roll this out. This works really well on turbo application, but it actually also works really well on NA big power application too, that you can hold the car wide open throttle and the car lags back, and when you let go of that button, boom, you just slingshot forward. So before we get continuously talking about that, we'll also talk about some parts that we have carried that you guys are gonna see in hand right here about this car, and also some parts that you guys might want, because E85 is such a big deal on these cars. We just have made a way to make it really easy and cost effective to add a lot of power with just a drop of fuel without even any changes on your end. We build it all on our hand. We do all the coding on our end. When you get it, it's just drop in and go. So let's jump into this part of the video. All right, so E85, why is it very beneficial in the car? E85 is basically a fuel that you can put in the gas tank that allows the car to burn a little cooler, a lot cooler actually. More spark and more fuel creates more horsepower, because we can add more timing and all that without detonation too. That's a very big important part. There's 2 ways to run it. Way number 1 is just tuning the car on E85 by itself, The main problem with that is if you tune the car on E85, you can't run 93 octane. So if you're driving in the streets and also road tripping the car, you're stuck on that E85. Not all the gas stations have it. The right way to do it, my way to do it, is to run a flex fuel sensor. This is a sensor that basically goes in line between your fuel tank and also your engine that gives you an ability to run both fuels. This sensor senses what fuel is coming out of your tank, if it has 10% ethanol or 85% ethanol or anything in between. We do the calculations on our end with our calibration and tuning, so when you get your car, you can put whatever fuel you want, even if it's a blend or one or the other, and the car automatically calculates the ethanol content and gives it the proper power it can give for that percentage. So that's the easy part about it. To support it though, this ethanol usually takes 30 to 35% more fuel to burn. So we need injectors, a fuel pump on the high side, and then we also need a low side. We've made it so easy for you guys to have a full fuel system on this car that nobody else has access to. This is our low side fuel system that we've been running. My E-Ray has this. We've tested this for almost a year and a half with great success. It's a billet hat and 2 pumps in place, and it's all plug and play with our wiring that we supply. It plugs in right here, both right here. This plugs into your boost reference sensor, and also this side right here just plugs in automatically to the car. Everything is measured, everything is properly set up, and you do nothing. My E-Ray has 2 of these. It has one on the driver's side and also one on the passenger side. So I'm running 4 fuel pumps. We have other options that just runs 2 pumps, 1 pump, up to 4. I have all of it because I test it all and I love it. And I want to make sure this thing has all the fuel when I need it to be. The injectors on the high side, we also have different versions. We have the plus 20s, plus 30s, and plus 80s, all the way up there. Same thing with the high side pump, we have different options. If you call our sales team, we can guide you the proper package for your power application so you're not overspending or overbuilding for something that you're never gonna use and not necessary for your build. Let's jump into the dyno session so you guys can see how much power this thing makes on 91 octane and also E85. Mr. Court lives in Midland, Texas. So in Midland, they don't have a lot of 93 octane, some of them are 91. So we're gonna tune it for that, as per his request. So the car will be making some good power on 91 octane with our twin turbo kit right here. We're gonna be putting E85 in the gas tank and doing nothing different with the tune and just showing you guys the numbers. But before that, we're gonna show you guys the build real quick. So this is a 2024 Seawolf Gray. We have Mr. Court's twin turbo kit right here that we've finished up for him. We paint matched the accelerated blue interior to his turbos as per his request. And then also the engine bay here is pretty clean. So we tried to make the engine bay very stock looking. We just added a catch can in place for maintenance and PCV breathing, but besides that, everything, all the wiring is tucked, all the plumbing is tucked. It's gonna be the cleanest engine bay you'll see that is built. We obviously can put a different intake manifold cover in here and a lot of different beautiful pieces, but for him, he wanted to keep it discreet and just classy and beautiful. As far as the trunk space right here, a lot of you guys ask us, does the twin turbo kit intrude the trunk space? It does not. Only thing we do is we add the ice tank filler right here, but this does not protrude whatsoever. Your top can still go down, and it's literally a 1/4-inch protrusion, which is nothing. So while we were at it, we also did our effortless design glass kit that is also available on the website. It's the Aventador glass kit, and we do lots of these. This is a pretty nice piece. Gives it a little bit more ventilation in the engine bay, gives it a nice good look from the back end, and it just really completes the back of the car. So let's get to the dyno video. Don't forget guys, we're giving away this badass 2016 single cab Denali Boosted. It's all fully loaded with a built motor, built trans, and a full Denali swap in the interior and exterior, and it could be yours. Every $5 is 1 entry on our website, and we have several 100x entries live on the site right now. Please check the website out, BoostDistrict.com, and your chance to win this beautiful Sierra Denali single cab. Let's get back to today's video. Octane, we made 624 horsepower and 604 torque. That's since this car is going to be on E85 for the most part, we're really not trying to lean on it too hard on 93 octane numbers. That's on very conservative timing, and we have plenty of room to go. Now that we have this test going, we'll show you guys how that looks. Let me see here, one quick second. That's on 0 smoothing. Yeah, graph looks good. 612 power on smoothing number 5, and no smoothing at all is 624. So we're we're gonna throw some E85 at it so you guys can know how much power it picks up. And then we're gonna show you guys the secret that we have that nobody else has access to. So let's throw some fuel into the E85 into this and show you guys some magic. That just made awesome power. 90 E85, 695 wheel horsepower and 682 torque. 91 octane, it made 617 and 602. That's on a stock motor, stock clutch with our tuning and a lot of electronics package on this setup. What do you think?
Awesome.
That's
Can't be mad at that.
Yeah, that's the highest horsepower we've made on a stock cam, stock motor, stock everything on just E85 and a 720 package. This car is dialed in and it's ready to go home. We're gonna go to Mexico and show you guys how this thing works like a dream. Let's go.
A lot of our customers are, you know, out of state, so they send the car to us, and then we send the car back to them, fully dialed in. We don't really get the experience in the car right along, and the experience show the emotions and the experience and what the car is, what we can do, stuff like that. They have to. They basically send the car, Zoom call them if they need it, if they want and need it, and but we don't really get to see the excitement.
Oh no, yeah, absolutely. So no, this has to be fun for you. I was glad I was able to make the drive.
Yes.
To drop it off and pick it up.
Yeah. Not exactly sure what they want to do first. If they want to do rolling videos first, or if they want to do. Let it go, it's crazy. So, go a small one. Put my head back there.
Surprise me.
Alright, third gear. Hold the button. Hold it right open, let it go. Jesus. You don't have lag anymore.
No.
Yeah, but it is perfect.
What is lag?
Yes.
Did it hook up?
Yes. You got 350 cars in the back, it's perfect.
Oh, that's true, yes. No, that was... It's gonna do what I want it to do.
Yes. Alright, so hold the button, wide open. Perfect.
Yeah, I'm not worried about too much at this point. They gotta have a lot of money in their car.
Yes.
Click that button.
Yes.
That's the secret. Yeah.
Hey, it's BoostDistrict exclusive. No, they won't find it anywhere else. Nobody else is invested in this platform besides us. Nobody.
Just y'all.
Yes, just us. We own the code. We built the code. I spent the time with Christian making this the way it is, and
Oh, so y'all own the code, so no one else can.
I mean, I'm sure once they
gotta figure it out.
Correct.
Yeah.
I'm sure once they see what we're doing that nobody else has, they might get jealous or try to figure it out themselves. But having the idea
didn't.
Yeah.
You did on purpose. But I would have done the same thing.
Yeah. Sorry, but not sorry.
No, it's. So I would've done the same thing.
Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this full video with the ANTILAG and the E85 and the 720 twin turbo Corvette. Mr. Quirt, thank you so much for coming out.
Yes, absolutely.
Do you have anything you want to say? Putting you on the spot. Besides your neck.
Yeah, you'll see that in the video.
Yeah.
Bring your car here. I'm impressed. I already know what you could do because of your videos, but then riding in your own car being done, the videos don't do it justice.
Yes,
it's way more than I absolutely experienced.
Yes.
That much power actually at the wheels is wild.
Yes, it's unheard of, and I'm just glad that you're able to trust us with your baby to do what we do and specialize on these cars. Yeah, the ANTILAG works amazing. He saw that in person. The E85 stuff works really good, and the twin turbo kit is as solid as it's always been. So we really appreciate you guys watching this whole video. If you guys have a C8 Corvette and want it built by the best, give us a call. Talk to our guys, and if you guys have any questions regarding this package or anything else, this full package is available as a DIY, or if you want to bring your car and get built here, you're more than welcome to, including our tuning. We tune cars remotely all the time, so let us know. Like and subscribe. Please help us grow our channel as always. We appreciate the community that we've built here in the last year. So thank you so much for everything, and thank you. We'll see you guys when you are ready for your 1,000 horsepower.
We're gonna do 1,000.
Yes.
Yep.
And then we'll see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Stay boosted.